Have you ever wondered why light, something completely weightless and silent, is the fastest thing in the entire universe? Why nothing, not even time itself, can outrun it? Imagine this. When you turn on a flashlight, that beam of light races around our planet more than 7 times in a single second. 7 times. And yet, with all our technology, rockets, and sci fi dreams, we still can't go faster. Why? Here's where it gets strange. It's not that light is super fast. It's that everything else is trapped by the rules of reality. The faster something moves, the heavier it becomes. Push it harder, and it fights back even more. To reach light speed, you'd need infinite energy, and that's impossible. That's the genius of Einstein. The speed of light isn't just a number, it's the universe's ultimate speed limit. Now, picture space not as empty nothingness, but as a stretchy fabric, something you actually move through. When you speed up, that fabric bends, time slows down, distances shrink, and reality itself starts to twist. From an outside observer's point of view, you'd seem frozen, moving slower and slower as you approach light speed. It's like reality itself is pushing back, saying, "You've gone far enough." And this isn't science fiction. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station actually experience this effect. Their clocks tick a tiny bit slower than ours on Earth because they're moving faster through space. That tiny difference proves time and space truly bend. But what if we tried to go even faster? Faster than light itself? Our mass would skyrocket, time would nearly stop, and our atoms would demand infinite energy to keep moving. The universe simply doesn't have that kind of fuel. Light speed isn't a barrier we can smash through, it's the edge of reality itself. Beyond it, the math breaks and physics stops making sense. Yet, here's the wild paradox. Nothing with mass can go faster than light, but space itself can. The very fabric of the cosmos is expanding faster than light between distant galaxies right now. That's why we'll never reach the edge of the universe. It's always racing away faster than we can chase it. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, what you're seeing is ancient light, still racing across the universe after billions of years. It's obeying one of the most powerful rules in existence, a law so deep that even the universe itself follows it. But what if something could cheat the system, not by moving faster, but by bending space itself? That's what we'll explore in our next video.